Hello, everybody. My name is Ben. I'm an undergraduate doing research on general science classes in college at North Dakota State University. This video goes over one facet of the project that I've been working on this summer, specifically scientific literacy. I wanted to go out and ask the general public at West Acres Mall in Fargo, North Dakota, what their thoughts are about it. So let's see what they think. I asked 3 questions in total. The first question I asked was, what does scientific literacy mean to you?
I don't know. I hate science. um, I don't know.
These 3 clips, while funny, are also a little sad. And I think it's even more sad that that's exactly what I expected to see whenever I asked this question. But there is still hope. There are some really, really good answers that really pleasantly surprised me.
Study of science or like the reading of science, I guess.
I mean, something to do with textbooks, information, being able to go in through reading, stuff like that. Otherwise, I've never really heard of it.
All right.
These were well assumed answers by both of these participants, but they're a little bit off the mark. And a part of it probably has to do with that last thing that guy said. I've never really heard of it.
I think the amount of people who are aware of the science knowledge and the discovery the science has made, probably that what I think it means.
I think it means knowing and understanding and having the knowledge of the scientific processes and things about, I don't know, Earth and experiments and stuff like that.
These two, they were right on the money, and that's awesome. Well, what does scientific literacy mean? Overall, scientific literacy can be described as the knowledge and understanding of scientific concepts and processes required for personal decision making, participation in civil and cultural affairs, and economic productivity. The second question I asked was, do you think America is scientifically literate?
Yes,
How do you know?
because we have stuff on paper from a long time ago.
You know, she's not wrong. She really isn't.
They could be better, really.
Well, just because I've never heard of it, no. So,
Not really. No.
All of these responses have very similar sentiments, and I think it could be explained by that first one. We could be better.
I do not. I think a lot of people just take things at face value instead of doing their own research and challenging their own thoughts and beliefs and deep diving into things and learning more and opening their mind.
Compared to other countries, not as much. I feel like we are behind in a lot compared to other countries, like European countries. I feel like they're educationally more ahead of us. But that doesn't mean we have a poor education system. It's just that some people don't want to take the time to learn about new things.
So, is scientific literacy good in the US? According to J.D. Miller and B. Kennedy, the US actually has pretty good scientific literacy. Of course, we could be better, though. And now, the third and final question I asked was, are you scientifically literate?
Absolutely not.
No, absolutely not.
no.
Most definitely.
Thank you.
I mean, I like science, but I'm not that literate because I'm a high school student, so I don't know much.
All right.
Not as much as I could be, but that is something I will work on.
I don't think anybody is perfectly scientifically literate, so I will say no, but I try my best to always research and try to see all sides of the story.
Now, this question is a little bit harder to talk about than the other two. Mostly because it's a matter of personal opinion. We all need to be asking ourselves this question, though. Are we scientifically literate? And could I be better at it? On the screen now should be, hopefully, everything that we went over in the video, or at least a brief summary of it. Feel free to rewatch the video to reinforce any information you may have missed. And thanks for watching.